This skirt consists of 3 layers. The first and second layers are made of the softest tulle, and the third layer is the bottom layer, a satin lining. The lining and waistband of the skirt are cut together. Once again, I explain. The waistband is one piece with a lining. Then an elastic band is inserted into the waistband. The first we need is the larger of horizontal measures. What more? Bust or hip measurement. If the measurement of the hips is larger than the measurement of the bust, then we use the measurement of the hips. If the measurement of the bust is larger than the measurement of the hips, then we use the measurement of the bust. And the second measurement is the length of the skirt from the waist down to the level we need. The measurement of the hips for this skirt is 96 centimeters and the length of the skirt is 46 centimeters. Now I will work with the lining. The lining will be cut out as a rectangle. The lining width of the skirt is the longest side of this rectangle and is the measurement of the hips. I will cut this rectangle folded in half. To do this, I fold the satin in half. The shortest side of this rectangle is the length of the skirt plus 2 waistband width plus 2 thickness of elastic plus 2 mm for the finishing stitch plus seam allowance at the top plus seam allowance at the bottom plus a factor of 8 mm for easy movement of the elastic. Here the length of the skirt is 46 plus allowance along the top line 1.5 centimeters plus allowance along the bottom line 1.5 centimeters plus 0.2 plus 0.8. The result of 56.2 centimeters is the length of the shortest side of the rectangle. I mark this 56.2 centimeters. I mark this twice and I draw a line through these 2 marks. It's my first line. Now, from the fold of the satin along the resulting white line, I put a mark of 50.5 centimeters. Now I will explain what is for 50.5. The length of the measurement of the hips, 96 plus 2 for sleeving the skirt over the body. We divide the result in half. Since satin is folded in half, result is 49. We also need an allowance along the line of the middle of the back, 1.5 centimeters. So, hips 96 plus 2 is 98. 98 divide by 2, result 49. 49 plus 1.5, result 50.5 centimeters. I hope you understand this. So, from the fold of the satin, I mark 50.5 centimeters along the white line. I mark the same 50.5 again. I draw a line through the received 2 marks. The result is a rectangle. I cut out. Lining cut out. See you soon.